So smooth. Look at this shiny writing. Guys, you know when you've got a box that looks this good, the internal contents must be very nice. Let's get into this one. Hey guys, my name is Lee. We're here in the House of Lee at the Morayfield Mega Store for another gel blaster review at M4A1 Gel Blaster. On today's episode, we have an exquisite blaster to review. This one here is going to make a lot of you guys froth. This is the MSR Rifle. Let's jump straight into the unboxing of this blaster. Out of the box, guys, MSR Rifle. This thing is a masterpiece. Need I say more? Safety glasses, very important. Never forget your eye pro. Extra barrel with internal barrel, very cool. Longer than the one that it comes equipped inside the MSR Rifle. USB charger for your magazine battery, as these do have an electronic mag feed. An optional spring. You do have the option, guys, to upgrade the springs in these blasters. Optional spring. And we just finished with the second spring that you have, guys, but also look at this box. Check this out. I mean, look at the quality that's gone into the box alone. Nice packed foam, very nice little image here on the box. This box in itself could last a fairly long time just traveling back and forth to the games with your blaster inside. But that is definitely not it, guys. There is more. There is more. Let me just see what we've got down here on the floor. Not only in black, guys, the MSR Rifle also comes in tan. How awesome is that? Black and tan MSR rifles. What else could you rifle-loving sniper diehards wish for, other than these two absolutely superb rifles in the black or in the tan version? Let's jump straight into the overview of this blaster, guys, and we are going to go from tip all the way to the butt. At the front, guys, we're starting with a nylon flash hider. Nylon outer barrel, nylon front handguard, nylon upper receiver, nylon lower receiver, nylon magazine, nylon rear buttstock. Body does house aluminium adjustment wheels, nylon cheek riser, a nylon rear end of the buttstock with it's like a mix between a little bit of a softer nylon. It is still quite hard though. Beautifully textured rubber grip. This thing is very, very nice. We do have a metal trigger. This blaster does have a metal charging handle for the bolt. It does have metal componentry inside the actual bolt assembly as well. The magazine as well, guys, we can't forget to let you know, with this magazine, it is a nylon construction magazine. I'll just place the blaster down, even though I don't want to actually let go of this thing. It is quite beautiful. Ooh. This magazine, guys, unlike the previous versions of the rifles, with the priming function, you won't be able to hear it, but definitely come in store and check it out. This magazine is battery operated, but when it is depressed, this blaster only feeds for a couple of seconds. It's about a 1 second actually prime. So if you hold the bolt back, it's not going to continually try to feed gels into the chamber. You're only going to get a slight feed. So it's going to be great to stop that double feeding issue that may have occurred in previous models. Guys, let's jump straight into the categories. Here at M4A1 Gel Blaster, we love to rate our blasters over 4 different categories. Out of 10, first category, we're going to start with looks. Very quick for this one, guys. 10 out of 10. That is it. No more said. Let's move on. Next up, guys, we have got firepower. This blaster here being a bolt action, there is no full auto. Does have the magazine primed by battery, which is awesome. It will help aid you to shoot this blaster a little bit quicker. We will jump over to the chrono, shoot it through the chrono so you can see exactly what FPS this is hitting straight out of the box. And we will also head over to the field so you can see exactly how accurate this blaster is. Out of 10, guys, for a rifle, I'm going to rate this blaster at a solid 8 out of 10. It does perform quite well, as you will see in the videos. Next up, guys, we have modability. This blaster here, there's plenty of Picatinny real estate, so you can add your attachments to the blaster to make it look cooler externally. Internally though, you're only going to really have the option of upgrading your spring or downgrading your spring depending what FPS you're trying to hit. So I will actually rate this blaster at around a 4, because you also have, guys, don't forget that you can paint this blaster. You could head over to Novrich's channel and check out his extra attachments with his foliage and whatnot that you can actually attach to the externals of your rifle. Yeah, so there are a few things that you can do to the blaster. And last up, guys, we have got durability. Out of 10, this blaster here, I'm going to rate this one at a solid 9 out of 10. It is a very solid setup. There are a few nylon things on this blaster, but other than that, nice solid metal hinge down the rear for your buttstock. Yeah, what can I say? Quite a solid piece of gear. So in conclusion, guys, with the MSR rifle, this blaster is definitely designed to be used on the outdoor field for you guys looking to ghillie up, hide in the bushes and plink off everybody else on the field. Definitely not suited to the CQB fields. If you'd like to be a hero, grab yourself one and head on in there. It would actually be quite cool to see that happen. But definitely, guys, outdoor field style of play. Hide yourself in the bushes with plenty of ammo. You'll have a lot of fun. Ranges of age for this blaster, young all the way through to older. That's up to yourselves, guys. It would also be suited to cosplay as well. So you could go to Comic-Con dressed as your favorite sniper, grab this rifle, it's gonna look the part. Guys, if you're watching this video, obviously you're on YouTube, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you don't like the video, please double dislike it. If you could, leave your comments below. Definitely let me know what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget about our Instagram and Facebook as well. How many stores do we have? They're all over the screen. Too many to remember, as I always say. We're growing, we're everywhere. We're coming for you. We also have m4a1gelblaster.com if you can't get into any of our stores in person. Every order over $30 is free shipping. So don't forget about that, guys. Again, guys, stop and think. Please stop and think. Whenever it comes to gel blasters, always stop and think. Please don't be running around the public with these things in your hands. We want these to be here for the long term. So please, remember your bags, remember your eye protection, Always stay safe when it comes to charging your batteries. And other than that, I'm Lee, here in the House of Lee at the M4A1 Megastore. Come say good day. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next review.